Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has identified SOXL as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.13. Now, let us examine the ETF's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 42.95% since we first categorized SOXL as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.53% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further increase within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 170.7% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 148.78% and 180.33%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of negative 48.14%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 96.98% and negative 48.56% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 82 cents and $14.04. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for SOXL. The SOXL ETF price gained nearly 3% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, rising from $26.50 to $27.29. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 4.61%, with a low of $27.21 and a high of $28.46. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.68% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with an additional 9 million shares traded compared to the day before. In total, 108 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.94 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $65.59, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price is 58.39% or $38.30 below the 52-week high, and 92.79% or $350.95 below the all-time high on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Recent developments point to a significant shift in the semiconductor sector, specifically regarding SOXL, the 3 times leveraged exchange-traded fund. The recent launch of Grok 4 is anticipated to ignite a new wave of artificial intelligence-driven growth, spurring increased demand for semiconductors. This context presents a short-term bullish outlook for SOXL, potentially aligning with a semiconductor bull run. In the near term, SOC has demonstrated momentum, with buy signals emerging around the $25 mark, indicating mechanical and sentiment-driven upside potential. A tactical bullish setup is forming as options positioning supports a strategic bull call spread, targeting prices between $27 and $32 by July's expiry. This suggests that if the market sentiment remains favorable, traders could see substantial returns. However, it's crucial to recognize that SOXL's leveraged nature entails high volatility, making it less suitable for long-term holding due to compounding risks during periods of market pullback. Following a harsh downturn where SOXL fell from $69.42 to around $17, the focus on semiconductor momentum needs careful navigation. Investors may benefit significantly in the short term, but caution is prudent for those considering SOXL as part of a long-term strategy. The evolving landscape of artificial intelligence demand remains a critical factor influencing SOXL's prospects in the upcoming months. the following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there's a general buy signal suggested by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $26.63 and $22.19. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 10, 2025, and thus far, the price has decreased by 0.292%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 143 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 47 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 57 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $25.11 and $21.64. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead the ETF to fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $25.11. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.64 and $20.58. This ETF may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the past day, the ETF moved $1.26 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.61%. For the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 4.79%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $27.37. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $25.11. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $26.27, reflecting a decrease of 3.72%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that formed 3 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SOXL ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we expect SOXL to open higher by 362.10 and start trading at $27.65. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.